Today, we're gonna cut up some shirts. Why not? We're quarantined. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently did a video where I tie-dyed some shirts, link up in the iCard, and these were the cute shirts that came out of it. And I just thought, like, I don't know, I want to make them cuter. Like, I kind of like this one just the way it is, but I'm like, how can I make these cuter? And I'm like, hello, back in the day, everyone used to cut their shirts. There's like a thing. So I just thought, like, you know what? I'm gonna cut up all 3 shirts in different patterns and see how they turn out, because why not? We're quarantined. Okay, so I'm gonna do first the easiest look I think I could do. And so I'm trying to do an easy look first to not psych myself out and think I can't do this. Now I do, I stabbed myself. I have my fabric scissors. These scissors are not a joke, guys. Like, you could stab a bitch with these. Like, these are not a joke. I have issues. That's a show for Dr. Phil. I brought my razor for the next look. The first look. So here is the first look that I am trying to accomplish. So it's a super easy look. It's just cut this, leave this. I am hoping not to mess it up. Okay guys, I am putting you over here so you guys could actually see what I'm doing. I would love to have somebody holding a camera, but my camera guy is currently babysitting my children. So this is what we're gonna have to do for now. All right, so this one is easy enough, I would think. So how low? Where are my boobs? I should have like marked where my boobs are. It depends. Sometimes they're up here, sometimes they're down here. Am I wearing a bra? Okay, I'm all done, you guys. Okay, and now here is the finished product. I know. It's so good, guys. It's so good. It's so good. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and see how it looks, you know, on me. And now my second look. My second look is a little bit more rough. Now it's a little bit more like just kind of free-for-all, tears and rips. So I figure that I can't make too many mistakes with this, you would think. I've seen like if you use a razor and just like kind of... I've seen people use razors. What the hell? So I've seen people use razors where they go like this to their shirt. So we're just gonna go ahead and go crazy. Okay, here's the second one. So this is, I could see you, how it came out. I'm not mad about it, but I think that's how I felt about the tie-dye job. I wasn't mad about it, but I wasn't happy with it. So let's see how this one looks on. Last look. My last look is for the pink shirt. So I have a vision of how I want this to come out. So I don't have like a picture of inspiration. I just kind of have like what I remember seeing a lot when people used to cut their shirts. So that's what's in my head. So I'm really hoping I don't mess this one up, because this is the one I promised my kid I would give to her. Hopefully it comes out. If not, I'll blame her dad for it. Okay, so this is the one that you guys don't actually have a look. Now this one I'm gonna go real bold, and I'm gonna go ahead and guys, this is the one that I was most excited about. And I thought it was really cute how it came out. So we will see. And here it is. Isn't this adorable? Now, this one is for my daughter. If not, I would have done it a little bit more low plunge and stuff. I'm not going to try this one on, but I'm going to have her try it on for you guys. I purposely kind of did them super tight in the bottom so it would make the bottom tighter since she's so tiny. You don't have to tie them either. You could just leave it fringed. Now let's see how it looks on her. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is again my first time trying to like cut out shirts, and I actually think I'm pretty good at it, you know, toot my own horn. But don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite out of all the three, and let me know how badly I messed up. If you guys think I messed up. Don't forget, if you guys did like this video, make sure to give that video a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.